prevent your cat from spraying or marking territory, consider the following steps. Spay or neuter your cat, as this can significantly reduce marking behavior. Ensure a clean litter box and provide multiple boxes in different locations. Clean any previously marked areas with enzymatic cleaners to eliminate the scent. Remove triggers like stray cats or stressful situations that may lead to marking. Provide environmental enrichment, such as interactive toys and scratching posts, to alleviate boredom or anxiety. Use pheromone sprays or diffusers to create a calming atmosphere. Consult with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying medical conditions contributing to marking behavior.